Hi there, hope you are doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a workflow using N8N, which creates posts for LinkedIn along with images and hashtags in an SEO friendly format. This workflow will post the content only after your approval, and this system literally works on autopilot and can save you huge amounts of time. So without any further ado, let's just dive straight into it. Now, as you can see on the screen, it shows a very high level conceptual diagram of the workflow. We'll start with the topic generator, wherein we'll just put a statement of the idea for which we need to create the post. Then we will have a content creator, which will take the inputs and further expand the content and will create the body of the post. It will again take the help of OpenAI LLM. Then it will go through two paths. The first path will create the image. Here we will use the OpenAI model of DALL-E, and the second path we will use for hashtag generation, which will be SEO friendly. Finally, both of this data will be combined into this merge node, and then it will be forwarded to email node. This email node will send us an email for approval, which will have the contents of the title and the body with the hashtags. And once we click on the submit or approve this post, then the wait node will resume the workflow and it will pass over the data to LinkedIn node, which will post the contents to our LinkedIn profile. So the requirements for this workflow are: you need to have an OpenAI API key, you need to have a LinkedIn API key, and you need to have a Gmail API key. Now, if you don't know or you need help to create this all API keys, I will post a separate video on this on my channel. So now let's jump into the actual workflow. So as you can see on the screen, this is our actual workflow. We start with a schedule trigger. So here I have defined that I need every 6 hours this workflow needs to be triggered. Then we have an AI agent, which is the topic generator. Here you can use the option defined below and put in the task which you need the AI to be to perform, like what research it needs to do, what content it needs to provide, it needs to generate based on your input. You have to give here your inputs based on your niche. Then it is connected through OpenAI chat model, which is the brain of this AI agent. Then it is also connected to an output parser, which shows the structure of the output, what you are expecting. For example, here I have the title, and then we need to have a rationale, and then it needs to have provide a hook. So these all things you can define. Then it will pass over the data to content creator. Now this will provide the body of the message. As an example, you can see the inputs from the topic generator. It has generated so many topics, and then the output of the content creator, it has created in a structured format. It has created a post title, post content, and an image description. And then if we go to the top path, it's for generating image. It is taking input from the content creator on the left side, and the output is in the form of binary. You can even click on view to see the image generated. Here is the image generated. And then on the down path, you can see the hashtag generator and the SEO generator. So on the left side of the screen, you can see our content, and on the right side you can see the output of this hashtag generator. It has generated 6 hashtags based on the content, and it has generated also the post title, post content, image description. Based on that, it has generated the hashtags which are SEO friendly. And then finally we have the merge node. In merge node, we are combining both the inputs, the text and the image. Here we keep the mode as combined by position and number of inputs too. And then finally we have a LinkedIn node. Here I have connected my LinkedIn account credentials, which you can configure by using the API keys, then the resource as post and operation as create, and finally you see the output as it's been shared. So this is the workflow, and I'm gonna share with you the exact workflow in the description of this video. So do check it, and please feel free to comment and provide your feedback. And if you think that this has added any value to your knowledge, then keep in touch, keep in loop by subscribing my channel, and hope to see you in future with more of exciting automations. So finally, let's execute this workflow.